Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove limit on Instagram. Let's get started. So if you want to remove limit on Instagram, then what you can do is just simply open up your Instagram application. And after opening up your Instagram application, now what you can do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, now you can tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right. After tapping on the three bar icon, just scroll down. And after scrolling down here, you can find this option which is limited interactions, which is inside your how other can interact with you. So here you can find this limited interactions. So now if it's turned on, then what you can do is just simply turn it off. And after turning it off, now you will not be limited. And this is how to remove limit on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.